Here are some of the most heart-melting encounters of animals reuniting with their owners after years. These are the scenes of the reunion of a man with his African cheetah after an absence of 1 year.
He's eating food. Oh, bye, buddy. Good boy. Thank you. Oh, it's good to see you, buddy. Hey, dude.
This chimp named Limbani got reunited with the pair who raised it, and what a beautiful reunion that is. If a lion jumps on you to catch and hug it, you've just acquired a lifetime achievement, and this man had it. It's hard to believe that bunnies could be so affectionate. This girl saw her horse 4 years later. Her emotions perfectly reflect the value of the horse for the girl. It's unusual to see birds like a goose showing such a passion after seeing its owner after a long time. This orphaned bear has reunited with her human carer after years. Witness the amazing reunion. After waiting for a very long time, this cat finally met its owner and greets him warmly. The best friend of the man, the dog, literally cried when he met his owner years after. This camel has recognized his old owner from a group of people and now doesn't let him go anywhere else. Dean Schneider, a famous animal lover, got a very warm welcome from that pride of lions when he met them after 10 months. After a long time, when this woman visited her horses, she received a surprising welcome from them. This monkey was eagerly waiting for a long time to meet its owners and see how amazing this meeting is. This reunion of Jimbo and Jim got the attention of many people. Jimbo the bear spent 23 years with Jim. Here, they were reunited after the break of a year.
Dad's been around like
I eagerly wish to have a pet who would welcome me like this cockatoo welcomes his owner.
Hi, my buddy! Is Daddy home? Is Daddy home?
It took a little bit of time for the dog to recognize its owner because they were meeting after 3 years, but finally the dog managed to recognize him after a while. This lazy animal ran to meet its owner, who visited it after a long period. This donkey is reunited with the girl who raised him. See how passionate that reunion is. This man lost his dog and met that dog with intense emotions. This hyena behaved like a proper dog when it met its owner after a couple of months. Scenes got emotional when this woman met the horse Fritzy, which she had to sell years prior.
Oh my God.
Super excited doggo spiraled out of control and drove to the airport to meet its owner, who came after a long period. There's nothing but love that makes this lion crazy to meet his old friend after a long time. Koji the rooster was running to be held by his owner when he visited Koji after a long time. The cat is acting offended because she was unhappy with her owner for leaving her behind. The dog got curious when he listened to the voice of his lost owner. After searching for a while, he managed to find the man hidden behind a tree. This rhino is running with amazement and joy to see its old caretaker after a couple of years. It's really wonderful to see a wild animal like a lizard greeting its owner like a dog.
Come on, buddy.
This wild shark has recognized its human best friend after they were separated for a year. This chimpanzee named Doll and Swing met with her friend after 18 years and recognized the woman in just seconds. The doorbell cam captured some emotional moments when this cat owner reunited with his lost pet. This woman had rescued that black leopard. That's why it's getting extremely chummy with her. This pride of elephants eagerly ran to reunite with their favorite person, who was away for 14 months. This pack of Highland Haven Aussie dogs ran over to welcome their owner home when he came after a long break. These are the scenes of the reunion of a man with his African cheetah after an absence of 1 year.
See your food. Oh, bye, buddy. Good boy. Hey, Gabe. Oh, it's good to see you, buddy. Hey, dude.
This horse walked inside the house to chill with the owner when he came to that house after a break of a couple of months.
No, you can't go in the bedrooms. Oh, you're getting a treat? You find a treat?
This loyal turkey followed its owner everywhere he went because he visited him after a while. This dog is meeting his owner after 3 years, and see how he goes crazy in this long-awaited meeting. This toddler is very excited to see the pet dog after a long time due to the pandemic lockdown.
I guess it's his first time.
This dog didn't recognize its owner, who had a marvelous weight loss, until he sniffed him. The little boy remained surprised and started crying with joy when he saw his lost dog after a very long time. This warm welcome to the owner by the donkey made me fall in love with the donkeys.
Pasa? ¿Dónde está mi burrilla? ¿Dónde está? ¿Eh?
This schoolboy was very depressed due to his lost dog, and see how surprising this meeting was for both of them. The owner has a dog mask on his head, but the dog still managed to recognize him when he came back after a long time. These cuddles and kisses by the leopards show the love and affection of the animals for the woman. This elephant is running like a child, and there is a strong reason behind it. It is going to meet its mother after a long time. If you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any of our new updates.